Hello everyone, this is Janani. In today's video, we would be covering a problem known as column sort. So, the statement of the question is as follows. Given a matrix as input, we have to sort the matrix column wise and then return the final matrix. For example, if the matrix is as follows, that is 1, 2, 0, 1, clearly this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. We have to output another 2 cross 2 matrix in which the columns are going to be in the sorted order. For example, here this 1 and 0 should be swapped as 0 comes before 1 and this 2 and 1 should be swapped as 1 comes before 2. So, let us try solving this question. Okay. So, the approach which we would be using to solve this question is that by transposing the matrix, because if we want the matrix to be sorted row wise, then it would be easy, but if we want the matrix to be sorted column wise, then we have to transpose the matrix, sort it row wise and then again transpose it. So, this is the logic which I would be using in this question to solve the problem. So, first I will write a code which would help you to transpose the matrix. Def transpose of M. Okay. So, basically what transpose means is that we will be interchanging the rows and the columns in a given matrix. So, to exchange the rows and the columns in the given matrix, we will iterate over the rows and then we will iterate column wise in a given row and then change the row to the column and column to the row. So, before doing that, let us take the input, that is the number of rows in the matrix and number of columns in the matrix. So, this can be done by M equals to len of M. So, len of M will return the number of entries present in the M matrix. So, the number of entries present in the M matrix is going to indicate the number of rows present in that matrix. For example, here if you compute M, it would be 2 because this matrix contains 2 rows. Now, we have to create another variable which will store the number of columns in this matrix. So, this can be done by n equals to len of M of 0. So, now we have to create a matrix which is going to have n rows and m columns in which we will store the transposed version of the matrix M. So, to create such a matrix, we will name the matrix as MT. So, this is going to be the transposed matrix of M. So, initially this MT should contain only zeros as rows and columns. So, this can be done by 0 for j in range of n, for I in range of M. So, basically what this transpose matrix is going to have is that it will have the number of rows as the number of columns in the given matrix M and the number of columns would be equal to the number of rows in the matrix M. So, we have successfully created the transposed version of the matrix M which is going to contain only zeros as values. Now, we will iterate over the rows in MT and we will populate it with the correct values from matrix M. So, this can be done by for I in range of M. So, here basically we are iterating over the rows of the matrix M. Now, in the second loop will go as follows, for j in range of n. So, this is going to iterate over the columns. Now, we have to put MT of j I equals to M of ij. So, this swapping of I and j will do the desired task of changing the rows to the columns and columns to the rows. So, our transposed matrix is ready. We will return the matrix, return empty. So, we have successfully written the code which will accept a matrix as input and will return the transposed version of the matrix. Now, our task is to sort the matrix column wise. So, we will write another function which will do this task. Def call sort of M. So, now we have written a function known as call sort which is going to sort the matrix M column wise. So, before sorting the matrix M column wise, we have to transpose this matrix, then sort it row wise and again transpose it so that we can achieve the desired matrix. So, this can be done by first accepting the transposed matrix. So, MT equals to, we will use the function which we defined above, that is transpose of M. So, now MT is going to show the transpose version of the matrix M. So, after doing this, we have to iterate over the rows in MT and then sort it. So, this can be done by for row in MT, row dot sort. So, this row dot sort is going to do an in-place sort in which the rows present in MT would be sorted. After doing this, we have to again transpose the matrix so that the resultant matrix would contain the columns in the sorted order and not the rows in the sorted order. So, we will return transpose of MT. So, we will define a matrix M and check whether this is working or not. So, as there was already a test case, we will copy it. M equals to, now we will print call sort of M. Okay. So, now the values present here are sorted column wise, that is 1 and 0's positions are swapped and 2 and 1's position are swapped, and the resultant matrix is containing the columns in sorted order. Thank you.